Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of June 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see what is coming up for you in the month of June. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Aquarians, let's find out what is happening for you in the month of June overall. Let's dive into the read and let's find out. What can you expect in the month of June? What are the major shifts, major things happening for you in the month of June? Aquarians, let's begin. Five of Cups, starting of the month feeling disappointed in love, disappointed in yourself, in your person, in your situations that you are dealing with right now in your love life. Seems like you are so caught up in the idea of what is happening right now that you don't see things positively for the future as well. You see no hope in the current circumstances. You feel like something good will never come in, be that with the same person or be that with somebody new. I feel like there's lack of desire, even there's lack of belief, even something good can come in. That's what you are starting the month off with. Page of Wands, then comes a message, then comes a hope, then comes a situation which is going to make you feel like no, maybe there is still some hope left, there is still some you can still expect something good. But then with the Seven of Wands, I feel like you will not feel the need to give your time and energy into it. You would feel like maybe if it's meant to happen, it will happen, so I just don't want to think much about it. So seems like you starting off the month feeling sad, upset, disappointed, and then you feel like it's as well like then you see the light at the end of the tunnel, and then you feel like okay, fine, something might work out. I just need to just go with the flow and see where it leads me. You would stop thinking much or heavily around it. You would just go with the flow and see where it leads. You might not take any action towards it after that. I feel like you might hold yourself back. You might hold your emotions back from that situation, that person. If it's a love life situation that you are dealing with, you are disappointed in someone, but then you're gonna hold yourself back. You're gonna feel like you don't want to put more effort into it. If it is meant to work out, it will work out. So that's gonna be your energy towards them, towards the situation that you would be dealing with. Let's take more cards here. Three of Cups. You're gonna miss the old times, good times that you spent with that person. You're gonna feel passionate for that person. You will get what you want with that person, or at least that's what you wish for. Whoever it is that you want, whoever it is that you desire, you're gonna be thinking of that person. You're gonna be missing that person. You're gonna feel like things that are happening right now, and so you could have a new beginning with your person. I feel like the second half of the month is going to be a change. It's going to bring you a lot of happy changes in the situation that is causing you to think certain ways. Maybe if you take things slow, if you take things lightheartedly, things will go good. Exactly the way you are starting of the month with. It's going to be an ideal situation. You felt for things were not going good for you, for your connection. You kind of took your time in the first half of the month to see where it goes, to see what comes in. I feel like as you hold yourself back and as you allow things to happen, instead of you taking certain actions towards make things happen, things start coming towards you. Whatever it is that you have been wishing, praying, affirming, you will start getting that. It's more important for you to allow things to happen rather than you asking when, why, this, that. Don't question your person, don't question the situation, don't question anything. Just let things be, things will work out. Just have that attitude where you don't obsess over anything, where you don't obsess or work diligently to get something. The moment you allow, the moment you free yourself from the outcomes that you desire, from expectations that you have, just free your soul, free yourself, and the moment you do that, the things that you have been patiently waiting for will start rushing towards you. The person, the situation, the love life, the whatever it is that you have been praying, affirming, wishing, hoping, you will get even more than that. So just believe in the process and just let things happen on the divine time. I feel like, the second half of the month is going to be more powerful, more beautiful. The first half is going to be more of a time where you have to basically tame the inner beast, tame the inner thoughts. Try to stay positive. No matter what happens, try to tap into this energy of yours where you where you are relaxed, and that's how you will get your person, your situation going the right way forward. You will become the magnet to all that you desire rather than you chasing and stuff. Just relax, just hold your emotions back, just hold yourself a little back, and that's how you get it all. Second half is going to be the time when you will get all what you want. Now while you wait, what you can do is affirm, stay positive, visualize. Let's take oracle cards now. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Now express your love when your person is back. Don't express it otherwise. Don't, because the more you do, you have to hold yourself back, because the more you do, maybe you feel the urge to express your love back. Let it be expressed from your person first, because I feel like, you have been doing that. That's what got you disappointed. Maybe you were expecting your person to express their love, they did not. Now just relax, just let your person have the time that they want and let them express it once they're ready. So just go with the flow and don't have high expectations, don't have any expectation at all. Just see where it goes or where it leads you. Oracle, wait for important information. You will be receiving a lot of important information regarding this connection that you have with your specific someone. But again, as you wait, while you wait, make sure you stay positive. Connect with your emotions. Embrace what you feel for that person. Send them the heart-to-heart energy. Send them the love that you want to send them to. Don't restrict yourself from sending that love to the person. Just that no physical action shall be taken towards your person. Let them have the time, let them decide, let them be open to be receptive to the love that you have to offer to that person. So yeah, let's see more oracle messages and then we are done for this read. You and your loved ones are safe. Even if you don't talk, just relax. You and your connection is definitely protected. It's time to release negativity. It's time to release this pain, suffering that you might be feeling in the very beginning of the month. It's time for you to ease up. Show the world the real you. It's time for you to work on yourself. Know that you are worthy of something beautiful that is about to happen for you in this connection with your specific someone, especially in the second half of the month. So just stay positive, stay happy, and you are going to get it all. So yeah, this pretty much did come up for you for the month of June 2021. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. If you want to purchase your set of affirmations to stay positive around your situation, you can also choose to purchase that as well. Check the description box for further details on that. So yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.